Welcome to the class on present continuous tense, which is also called present progressive tense. This class is part of the English with series on English verb tenses. Present continuous tense is a basic tense. It is usually one of the first tenses that you start to learn when you start studying English. So just stay with me. We are going to go through this tense step by step. I'll show you exactly how do we use it, the difference between present simple and present continuous tense, and of course, the rules to frame the sentence in present continuous tense. Let's get started. The present continuous tense is used for actions which are happening at or around the moment of speaking and for temporary situations. Okay? In order to emphasize this, we often use adverbs like now, just, at the moment, nowadays, etc. Present continuous tense is used for changing or developing situations and for fixed arrangements in the near future. For the temporary situations, we use present progressive tense. For example, they normally play tennis, but this week they are skating. For changing situations, we use present continuous tense. As yesterday it was very sunny, but today it's raining more and more. For future arrangements, we also use present continuous tense. We all know that there are present simple and present continuous tense. Okay, so let's see what's the difference between these two tenses. Present simple is used with the things which are always true, and present continuous tense is used with the things which are happening at the moment of speaking. For permanent situations, we use present simple, and for temporary situations, we use present continuous tense. And for the situations which are slowly changing, we use present continuous tense. For habits or things we do regularly, we use simple tense, and for temporary or new habits, we use present progressive tense. Is it clear? And to talk about what happens in books, plays and films, we use simple present, and to talk about people in pictures and photos, we use present continuous tense. Okay? Now let's look how we form present continuous tense. Let us start with sample sentence. Now look at this sentence given here in the slide. He is going to the school. Here he is subject, is helping verb, and going is verb with ing. So we saw that there are three main parts in a sentence: subject, to be form of helping verb, and verb with ing. So in order to use this tense correctly, you need to know two things. You need to know the verb to be perfectly used, and you also need to know the verb to be perfectly used and how to use ing form with verb. And we all know that with third person singular we use is, with plural subject we use are, and with I we use am. Now here are some activities for your practice. See these visual clips and frame sentences in present continuous tense. So that's all for today. In the next class of this series, I'll tell you about present perfect tense. Till then, happy learning to all of you.